How to set up MetaPay on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily set up MetaPay on Facebook. So first thing, just head over to your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your account. So once you're inside here, just tap on this profile icon at the top right corner right below the messenger icon. So once you tap on this, you can just scroll down and click on the settings and privacy option. So just tap on settings now. So once you're inside your settings, click on this more in account center. So scroll down from over here and you can see the option called MetaPay right over here. So just tap on this. So now all you have to do is enter your credit card or debit card detail over here, like CVV number, card number, month or expiry date, and your location, your address, full name, your country, region, postal code, and your town or city, and just click on save. And just like that, you will have successfully saved your payment method, that is your MetaPay, on your Facebook application. So you can also include delivery info like email address, phone number, and delivery address, just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.